Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about mower sizes. Whenever you're mowing your lawn, we tend to think that bigger is better. You know, the bigger mower is going to get things done faster. It's more efficient. It's more fun. It's going to be a lot easier. But when it comes to the overall health of your lawn, the smaller mower is going to be the better option. Always do the smallest mower actually that you can on your property, because that's going to actually be better for your lawn. The reason for that is those big mowers, they're very heavy. They cause tracking a lot of times. You can't really change directions every time if your yard's too small, and so you're doing the same direction every time you mow, and you start to get tracking. You get more soil compaction that way with those big mowers, and those big decks, are more prone to scalping your yard if it's in an uneven area or whatnot. So at the end of the day, it's all within reason. If you've got a big yard, yeah, you're going to use a big mower. No one's saying you shouldn't ever use a big mower, but if it's feasible, if you're trying to decide between the two and you're kind of borderline, if you can get away with a small mower, definitely use a small mower. Yeah, it's going to take more time. It might cost more money if you're using a lawn service, but overall health of your lawn is going to be better. The cut's going to be nicer. It's going to be much more even. It's going to look a lot nicer if you can stick with a 21-inch push mower. So, hope that helps. Have any questions about that? Feel free to let us know. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.